Today, we are talking about the latest leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. From upgraded AI features and enhanced durability, let's uncover all the exciting details that have been circulating online. The leaks suggest that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 a more boxy shape. It also reduces the radius of the corners, which in turn will offer a sharper corner to the cover screen and the internal display. That's more screen real estate, less lost information when looking at media, and a more natural look to your information. Rumors also point towards a more robust hinge mechanism, addressing previous durability concerns and enhancing the overall user experience. Speculations hint at a larger cover display and an even more immersive inner folding screen, providing users with a seamless multitasking experience. As we eagerly await the official unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, these leaks have certainly sparked excitement among tech enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch date. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.